we're here at Grey Goose Style du Jour fashion event, and I have designer Nikhil Thampi with me. Nikhil, what are you expecting from this show today?
Thank you first of all, and you're looking superb, I must say. Well, it's a style du jour. There are 3 magazines coming together, and it's going to be one hell of an event. And I'm participating from Elle. I have my exhibit for one of the Elle styles, so I'm doing the gold section for Elle. So they approached me and they said, "We want an elaborate golden gown which matches the theme of Oriental touch to it." And who better than I could do that? So we see our OB belt, we see our long sleeves. It screams out my label for Elle magazine. So please tell me if you like it.
For sure, Nikhil. And you know, with gold, like we've seen it, I think, during the Lakme Fashion Week as well. The moment, you know, you have a gold and black combination, everyone thinks it's Nikhil Thampi's.
That's good. Fingers crossed. Thank you so much. I hope I did something right.
It was great, Nikhil. Tell me, you know, in terms of gold, when we talk about jewelry, how much do people actually experiment with gold? Is white gold or yellow gold trendy?
Well, gold is a very emotional thing for Indians, you know, especially like it's known to be a very auspicious thing. So people tend to be more traditional when it comes to gold jewelry. White gold is definitely more younger, like young people like me. Even I would choose a white gold more than a yellow gold. So definitely white gold is younger. It attacks our generation, but the yellow gold has more traditional value, has more resale value. So the older people who actually buy the gold, they would rather think of the future investment. So yellow gold has its own charm, white gold has its own charm.
Totally. And Nikhil, before we let you go, you know, when it comes to an event like this, how much does it help designers like you guys, you know?
Wow, see, we are very, very young designers. This has been 2 years I'm in fashion. Established magazine like Elle India giving us a platform as big as this. It's a big thing for us. They are A-listers, they are B-listers, and they're emerging. So we are kids and they're giving us a boom. So such an event for us is very, very important.
Thank you so much, Nikhil, for talking to us, and have a good time. Have Harper's Bazaar editor Nishat Fatima. How are you doing? How do you feel about this entire event?
I'm very impressed with everybody's interpretation of the looks. So I've always enjoyed this event, and I liked it last year and I liked it this year too.
And it was a really out of the box thinking. When you talk about fashion shows, you have ramps there, you know?
I think that's sort of the mix of, you know, having a magazine shoot and styling and a live event. So I think that's a great interpretation of it.
I think all magazines did a wonderful job, and I think it's really important to see how different magazines interpret fashion, which is what an event like that gives you the opportunity to do. And I thought that the strains of style through each magazine were really evident, so I thought it was super successful.
And when you talk about the clothes the models were wearing, you know, we usually don't see that kind of stuff, you know, probably on fashion shows. This was very different.
Yeah, in fact, Elle asked some of the designers to create something special for the event. So they created one-off pieces just for us to show. The idea is to create a little bit of drama, you know, around fashion, because it can be fun, and that's what Elle is about. It's about making fashion fun. So we hope we did that.
So Aishwarya, when we talk about style, what's your style statement?
Oh my God.
Let's decode your style statement tonight.
I'm very boring, but I like a lot of print, so I tend to wear a lot of sort of bright colors and prints and stuff. And I like studs, I like my studs.
I think it was lovely.
So yeah, that's me pretty much.
And when what's really in trend, you know, for all the young girls, especially now it's party season, you know, when you talk about trends, what's in?
The trend I think I love most at the moment is the sort of rebellious, you know, punkish revival that's happening at the moment. I think that's really fun. And if you're too scared to go all out, you can always bring a little bit in, you know, spiked shoes.
Focus on that.
So yeah, that's what I like at the moment. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, Aishwarya. It was really nice talking to you, and hope to see you again. Suparna Madhwani?
Well, it's really an expression of the magazine's version of the theme in collaboration with the designers that we usually work with. So I guess the difference really comes in the choices of the brands that we use, as well as in our interpretation of the different trends given. And you can see there's a slight similarity in just the theme, but there's a very distinct difference in each designer's interpretation.
Right. When it comes to Grey Goose, one word that comes into your mind?
Style.
Yash, tell me, how do you feel being here?
Well, it's a friend of mine's event, Suparna. She told me that please come, it'll mean a lot to me, so I've come. I go to events when a friend means to me a lot and it makes them happy, I go for that.
You look very trendy. Tell me, what are you wearing today?
I have to look down and check, but I think this is maybe Topman jeans. This is Jean-Paul Gaultier waistcoat. I'm a very spontaneous, impulsive person. When I go to a shop, I take 2.5 minutes to buy what I want to buy. I do a quick survey, I just pick it out. I rarely try on clothes. I get it home and I know what I'm gonna like. And when I have to get ready for an event or a party, I take again 2.5 minutes to get ready. I just take out, like I have sections in my wardrobe, pants, t-shirts, shirts, whatever. So I go and take out one, whatever comes first in my eye, I put it together and I'm out. Because I don't want to spend too much time on something which has to be impulsive and spontaneous and should just flow. I think people make up too much about what you're wearing, what is in fashion, what is not.
But you're very trendy.
I don't know, because I have a sense of fashion probably which is a little different, and some people find it trendy, some people find it, we don't know where it's come from, but I do it for myself, so that's the way I am.
What's your favorite shopping destination?
I actually love London from the point of view that it's got the largest collection, yeah, and you have all international designers. So a lot of people say Milan is great, which is good, Paris is great, but then you have a limited selection of a limited amount of designers. London is actually the center for all European, American, Japanese, all kinds of designers. So for men especially, I think London is the place.
Tell us a little about your health. How much of care do you take?
First of all, I have never touched alcohol, so I don't drink. So that's a no-no.
Today, Grey Goose?
That's exactly why I respect, and I'm not judgmental about anything. That's why I didn't want to pose with the car, because best of luck to them, but I've never tasted alcohol. That's me. Second, I'm a pure vegetarian. So I eat very healthy food, very little oil, no fried food, no desserts. Cooked very well, home food. I hate to eat out, okay, and I'm very much into exercising, so I exercise at least 6 days a week, including weights and some cardio. More weights, I'm very fond of doing weights. I have a gym in my house, fortunately, so it's convenient. My entire family works out, my sons, my wife, so it becomes like a family event. So I just love working out. I've been working out for like 18 years. Yeah, so it's like a part of life. It's like the day is not complete without a proper workout. So, but again, I think it's all integrated. Working out, eating healthy, leading a healthy life, right? So mind, body and spirit, that's how I take it.
One message we have from Yash probably for our viewers, especially for those lazy people who just doesn't want to get out of bed.
Get out.
Work out.
Get out now. You can do it. Everybody can do it. Don't postpone it, and don't do something which you can't maintain.
That's coming all the way from Yash Birla. Yash, thank you so much. have Aditya Roy Kapoor, and he's just won this awesome award. Now you have to tell me, how do you feel? You know, you always tell that you're not very stylish, but here we saw something very different.
But see, someone has seen the style in me, you see, today. So yeah, I don't know if I'm very stylish, but at least someone else thinks I am, which is good.